Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well, and today is my first video about C and C++ course. So in this course I will teach you everything about C and C++. So beginning of my C and C++ tutorial, what you will learn in this course, and I give you some description about this course. Okay, so C setup. Before going to C program and C++ program, we should know how to set up C compiler, and then we will download the Vscode and install it in your computer. And third is extension setup. Vscode has a lot of extensions which make Vscode more powerful and more stable, and you can easily code, and which extension will throw a lot of things about program, and that's why it is felt you easy to code and easy to compile. And before going to code on your PC, we should learn basic of C and C++. That's why I kept this part in this course. So we should learn basic of C and C++, what is variable, what is format specifier, and that's why I keep this part in this code. And then last we will run a C and C++ program in our IDE, and that is our basic today's session. So let's begin. So go to a web browser, and here you should type mingw, minwg, mingw download. So enter here. So you will find the first web link on sourceforge.net. So that is the genuine link for mingw setup download link. So you should click on mingw minimalistic GNU Windows download. Okay, so click here and then download, and it will take 5 seconds or 4 seconds, so patient. So it will give you a link, and you should download it. Okay, so I already downloaded it, so that's why I not going to install it. So after download and set up the mingw, you will get the memory location, so is where the software has been downloaded. So if you go to program, the mingw gets set up, and double click here. So already I downloaded it or installed it, that's why I not going to download or install it. So if you download the software successfully, you should go to the local disk C, double click here, and you will find the folder mingw, double click here, and then you will find a bin folder, double click here, and click the path link. Okay, so if you click here, the path you will see in this tab. Just press Ctrl C to copy the path. Okay, so after copy the path, click right button on start button. Okay, so you will see the system. Click system and go down here, and you will find the advanced system setting. You will find the environment variable, and then here you will find path, and click edit here. So I already set my path. You just click on new and paste it here. Okay, so I already set my path, so no need to set my path here. Okay, and click OK. Okay. After successfully set your path, you should check your paths are set up or not. So that's why how can you check your setup is successful or not? Just click on Windows button and type run here, and cmd and hit enter. Here you should type gcc then hyphen version. So when you type gcc version, then you will get some messages about the gcc version. Okay, so I get message gcc 6.3.0. so I already successfully set up my path. So after set up your path, now you should go to the Vscode, which is already I installed on my computer or PC. So how to set up the Vscode? You should go here, open a Google Chrome and write for Vscode here, Vscode the downloads. So when you type Vscode download, so first link will appear on your screen, computer screen. Just click code.visualstudio.com. so just click here, and here you will found the lot of sections, download sections. If you uses Windows operating system, just click on Windows operating system and it will download automatically, and just click start download. If you use internet download manager, if you don't use any download manager, then it will automatically download. Okay, so I download before, that's why I'm not going to download again and install again. I just show you how to set up Vscode. Okay, so just click here and type Vscode. So run the Vscode again. So here you will find the extension button. Click on extension button. Just click on extension button and type here C/C++. Okay, so you should download all the Microsoft extensions about C and C++. I already downloaded all the extensions. Just click on install, just click on install, and just click on install. So all the after downloaded all the extensions, you should download one another extension that's called code runner. Type here code runner. Yes, I already installed it, so no need to install again for me, but you should install the code runner. Then you should go to the preferences, settings, first of all file, then preferences, then settings. Okay, so here you will find the lot of settings. Just run, click here on search button and write run. So you will find the run informations. So here you should check the run in terminal. So when you run your code, the terminal will appear. So that's why you should click on this checkbox. If you click on this checkbox, your code will run in terminal, otherwise not. Okay, so you should be careful about the terminal runner. Okay, so that's all. Now we will code something. So before coding, you should create a folder, and after creating the folder successfully, you should create a file under the folder. Okay, so I already created C and C++ folder, and the file I have been created, all the file is created by under C or C++. So I create already. So now we should write hello.c. So .c is a C extension, that's why I wrote here hello.c. It will run the C file. Okay, so now, so I give here p processor include stdio dot h and int main, the main function, and then say printf hello world and statement close. Okay, so that is our program. Just we going to run it. So hello world is successfully printed. So that is the code.